Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can turn on call forwarding in your Lava smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your phone call app, click on three dots, click on settings. Now you have to click on call forwarding. So first you have to click on these apps if it is there. Friends, you have to click on calling accounts, then Airtel. Here it is call forwarding. Tap on here and you will see there are four: always forward, when busy, when unanswered, and when unreachable. You have to put another number of yours in it when you are busy in calling. This when someone is calling you, and this number will be forward to that number where you have written over here. And this is a call forwarding, and this is how it works. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.